Good morning, everyone, and happy Tuesday. It is Julie here with your TipRanks pre-market morning update, where we're bringing you everything you need to know before the market opens. So let's get into it. All right, guys, welcome back, and thank you all so much for being here. As usual, this morning we're going to take a look at exciting stock market news, what's ahead this week on the earnings calendar, and the morning's biggest gainers and losers. Just before we get into all of that, this is your friendly reminder that if you enjoy today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and that you're subscribed to the channel as well so you can stay up to date with all of our latest videos. All right, jumping right into this morning's exciting stock market news. U.S. stock futures are slightly in the green this morning. Currently, we have the Dow futures up 0.04%, S&P 500 futures are up 0.10%, while the Nasdaq futures are up 0.27%. Walmart, together with Netflix, have announced the launch of Netflix Hub, a dedicated online hub that will feature merchandise from some of Netflix's most loved shows, such as Stranger Things, Nailed It, and CoComelon. Netflix hopes to improve its sales and visibility as the company's investors seem to be unhappy with slow subscriber growth earlier this year. The merchandise will be available exclusively in Walmart's online store and not in the brick-and-mortar stores. The Netflix Hub will showcase some of its most popular shows, making the hub an entertainment hotspot. They'll also launch a crowdsourcing page called Netflix Fan Select, which will allow fans to vote for merchandise that they would like to see from their favorite shows. The Walmart stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of over 23%. Sports-focused TV streaming platform FUBO TV announced that it has entered into a distribution agreement with AT&T Sportsnet to stream AT&T Sportsnet Rocky Mountain on FUBO TV in the coming days. The deal will enable FUBO TV access to the regional coverage of Utah Jazz, Vegas Golden Knights, and Colorado Rockies, including other ancillary programming and behind-the-scenes content. Initially, the regional sports network will launch on FUBO TV in Nevada, Utah, and the surrounding areas. The FUBO TV stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 72%. AT&T has inked a 5-year deal with Ericsson to expand their 5G network and C-band spectrum. The deal builds on 20 years of collaborations and allows the wireless giant to expand their 5G network coverage. As part of the collaboration, AT&T will leverage Ericsson's network expertise to take the 5G network to more customers, businesses, and first responders. The use of advanced technology should allow the wireless carrier to enable 5G use cases in sports and venues, entertainment, travel and transportation, business transformation, and public safety. The AT&T stock is currently rated a hold with an average upside just over 20%. Pharmaceutical company Pacira Biosciences has signed an agreement to acquire biopharma company Flexion Therapeutics. Pacira develops and produces non-opioid pain management and regenerative health solutions, while Flexion manufactures and sells novel local therapies for the treatment of patients with musculoskeletal conditions. The deal is for $8.50 per share in cash and one non-tradable contingent value right worth up to $8 per share. The CVR will be paid on the achievement of certain sales and/or regulatory milestones on or before December 31st, 2030. The Pacira Bioscience stock is rated a strong buy with an average upside of 56%. Emerson Electric has reached an agreement for the merger of its software businesses, OSI, and the geological simulation software business with AZPN. The merger will result in a high-performance industrial software leader dubbed the new AZPN. The AZPN merger deal presents an attractive opportunity to enhance EMR's software strategy and capitalize on the evolving industrial software landscape. Under the terms of the agreement, Emerson will contribute $6 billion for a 55% stake in the new AZPN. AZPN shareholders will own the remaining 45% stake in the new company. The Emerson Electric stock is rated a moderate buy with an average upside of over 16%, while the AZPN stock is rated a moderate buy but currently has a downside from 2-month-old price targets and their share price shooting up in recent days. Now moving over to notable earnings reports. As I mentioned yesterday, Tuesday is still a quiet day for earnings, but we start to ramp up later in the week. Wednesday morning, we're expecting to hear from JP Chase, Delta Airlines, and BlackRock. And Thursday continues with names like Taiwan Semiconductor, Wells Fargo, Bank of America, Citigroup, and more. So tomorrow morning, we'll have plenty of earnings to go over, but for now, we're going to jump over to this morning's biggest gainers and losers. Our biggest gainers this morning are led by intracellular therapies. Under the ticker ITCI, they're currently up over 9%, followed by Multiplan under MPLN, up nearly 9%, and ShareCare under SHCR, up almost 6%. Our biggest losers this morning are led by CureVac. Under the ticker CVAC, they're down 14%, followed by Relay Therapeutics under RLAY, down over 10%, and the Chindata Group Holdings under CD down 7%. So that's going to be everything for Tuesday's pre-market morning update, bringing you up to speed with what you need to know before that opening bell. If you made it to the end of today's video, make sure you hit that thumbs up button and say good morning in the comments down below. I always love hearing from you guys. Thank you all so much for watching. I hope you have a wonderful Tuesday, and I will see you back here next time.